Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage sustainability with Tesla, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage sustainability with Tesla, begin by understanding your Tesla model's sustainability features. Access your Tesla dashboard to monitor energy consumption statistics. Navigate to the Energy tab to view real-time energy usage. Familiarize yourself with the regenerative braking feature to maximize battery efficiency. Utilize the charging settings to schedule charging during off-peak hours. Select solar energy options if you have solar panels installed. Explore the Tesla app to track and manage your vehicle's energy usage remotely. Participate in Tesla's sustainability programs, such as the referral program. Consider using the Tesla Powerwall, which stores solar energy for home use. Engage with local Tesla communities to share tips on sustainable practices. Regularly update your vehicle's software to ensure optimal performance. Calculate your carbon footprint using the metrics provided in the app. Stay informed about Tesla's sustainability initiatives through their official website. Incorporate eco-driving habits, such as smooth acceleration and deceleration. Review and adjust your driving routes for efficiency to conserve battery life. Utilize the Tesla service centers for maintenance and upgrades focused on sustainability. Monitor your vehicle's tire pressure regularly to ensure maximum efficiency. Implement a carpool system to reduce the number of vehicles on the road. Educate others about the benefits of electric vehicles and sustainable energy. Advocate for renewable energy sources in your community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.